Hi, everyone, and thanks for being here. Like every new tool before it, AI has sparked plenty of debate. We've seen this cycle before. Each time technology takes a leap forward, we imagine worst case scenarios and brace for disruption. Let's rewind. When chalkboards were introduced in the 1800s, people complained they were messy and too public. Yale students even protested their use. Then, in the 1920s, educational radio faced harsh criticism for being too impersonal, but it expanded access to remote learners and changed what was possible. Moving forward in time, we found television in classrooms which were met with skepticism. Personal computers, we feared screens would replace human interaction. The internet, initially unreliable and suspect, now essential. The learning management system Blackboard in the late 90s, people predicted administrative chaos. Instead, it became the foundation of distance learning. And smartphones, yes, they disrupted classrooms, but they've also become everyday tools for engagement and learning. So here we are again. AI is the latest disruptor, and like the others, it's raising fears about cheating, job loss, and authenticity. But history tells us something important. Every disruptive tool eventually becomes essential. This isn't about whether AI belongs in education, it's about how we use it, with intention, with strategy, and always with students in mind. Used wisely, AI can expand access, personalize instruction, and better prepare students for today's workforce.